I'm at Bath and Body Works, as you do see. I'm getting ready to go in here right now. They're doing a $11.95 on the candles. Y'all know they got tons of 75% items. I haven't been to this store yet, so we're gonna go in here and see if we can find any treasure finds, any good items on the 75% tables. We're gonna do that. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl some comments. How has your experience been with the semi-annual sale? Have you been finding any treasure finds, or what's on your list of things that you on the hunt for? Y'all already know I'm on the hunt for treasure finds, and that's it. I'm not gonna be buying a whole lot of things that I already have. So let's head into the store and see what we could find. Okay, y'all, let's grab a basket and see what we could find in this store. Hopefully we'll be able to find a lot of treasure finds, but you never know with semi-annual sale. Of course, y'all seen this stuff tons and tons of time on my video as well as other people videos. What I'm really enjoying about this year's semi-annual sale is the fact that I'm starting to see a lot of online exclusive items inside the store. I really love that. So leave down in the comments, have you picked up any of the online exclusive items in your store, or is it just a pass for you? I've been seeing You're the One at every store I go into, and tons of it. So y'all go ahead and grab that because I'm tired of seeing it. But go ahead and grab You're the One. It's 75% off. I think it's going to be an online exclusive moving forward. I'm not for sure. Another thing, men's cologne as well as the perfume. I feel like the perfume and the cologne has been the run item for 2023 spring/summer semi-annual sale. So hopefully y'all were able to grab some of that perfume and cologne, because a lot of it is 75% off or 50%. So make sure you grab some before it is completely gone. Bingo! We found a treasure find. I think this came from a test store. I don't know. It was 75%, so I did grab it. Another little surprise is this collection, this Whipped Rose collection that came out last semi-annual that everybody was crazy for. I was shocked to see this in the store, and this was the only store that had these items. So I was shocked to see that. And I didn't grab any because I have so much of it. But I absolutely love this collection. I think this was my favorite one from semi-annual last year. Now, this gingham, y'all, as y'all do see, it's on the regular shelf. They did not know that this gingham perfume is 75%. That's the reason why I said make sure you get a price check, because sometimes they just don't know because they're so busy with everything that's going on. So make sure you get a price check. I kind of want to go to another store because I'm still looking for some items that might be on the 75% table. Y'all, they had the gingham perfume on the regular shelf. They did not have it on the 75% table at all, and they were telling people that it was the regular price. So I told them, I'm like, this is 75% off, and she was like, no, it's not. So of course we went on and did a price check, and again, 75% off, $13. So I did grab another one, even though I really don't need it. I grabbed another one anyway. I seen that clean slate. I started to get that for my husband, but it was 50%. I'm not sure if they marked those to 75% yet, but I don't need to get that stuff. So 2 more bags. forgot to mention that I did grab these two new fine fragrance mists that just came out today. That's one, and this one is Wild Sand, and this one is Endless Sea. So I did grab these two. Scent notes is not on the back, so I will have to probably post the scent notes, but these were just released today, early access to members only, even though it shows up on the website, but you can't do BOPUS. So yeah, let's smell this one first. This is Wild Sand. I wonder what the scent notes is. It smells very warm tone, very much like a fall scent. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad, but I could see myself wearing this more in the fall, pairing it with more of a warm scent. I feel like I want it to be a little bit sweeter, but that's just my personal take. I just personally like sweeter scents. Okay, now the next one is Endless Sea. The Endless Sea. Yeah, I like this one better. This is slightly fresh. This one is probably my top pick. I could see myself buying a bigger one of this one. This is more good for the winter months. This is just my opinion. Just my opinion. This is more like what I like. Yeah. I know one of these have purr in it. I kind of feel like it's this one, but I'm not for sure because there's no scent notes. So today the sale was $4 for these, which is not a bad price because I think the regular price is $8.95. You can get this free with the coupon if you have it. Of course, you could get it free with rewards, you know, because rewards go all the way up to $16.95. But I decided to just go ahead and buy it because I was just curious about what it smells like. So yeah, grab those two. And they also had, like I said, they had the gingham. I really didn't need this because y'all do know I bought it in Myrtle Beach, so I really didn't need this. So I'm probably gonna give this to my sister. So yeah, I grabbed that. This was $13. Not a bad price considering that it's basically $50. So that's not a bad price. They also had the oil. This was the first store that I seen the aroma oil. I really love the aroma oil, and I don't have this scent, so yeah, I decided to just go ahead and grab that. And then something else that I didn't even see in any stores, they had this face wash classic blend. I'm assuming that this is like a men's care product, but I haven't seen this in any store. I don't remember this coming out. I think this is probably a test item because y'all know with semi-annual, Bath and Body Works send all kind of products to all their stores. So whether it's a test market product or whatever, they just send stuff to every store for semi-annual. And then since they doing the $3.95, I went on and I got Rose, a backup of Rose, especially since they're taking it off out of the stores. It's going to be an online exclusive item, so I decided to just go ahead and buy this because I like this scent. This is so good to blend. It, to me, when you think about Rose, you think of like granny scent, but to me this is good. This is good, and that's the reason why it's been around for so long, because this product is amazing. You know, I don't know why they doing online exclusive. Maybe it's not selling that well, I don't know, but I feel like a lot of your floral scents could be paired with this. So this is good. And then y'all already know I love that spring neutral collection. So even though I feel like I really didn't need these, oh, this bottle is horrible. I really didn't need backups, but I decided to just go ahead and grab some backups because I'm sure this collection is probably not gonna come back. I could not find the Cloud 9. I couldn't find that one, so I just grabbed these three. And then the last thing I grabbed was this Plumera, whatever it's called, yeah. But I decided to grab that. I really wasn't gonna show my haul, but I just decided to just go ahead and show the haul because why not? I'm showing y'all one thing, just went on and showed y'all the other stuff. Also, Y'all know I love this candle, and this store had tons. I was so happy this store had so many of these candles. I absolutely love this Palo Santo Vanilla. This is so good, and I keep on raving about it, and I keep on talking about it. This is good. This is good. Now, it was $11.95. I didn't use any coupons. Just went on and paid the $11.95 price point because this is something I want. Some of my stores is sold out. This store had a lot of them, and my other store had a lot of them, and I think another store might have tons of these candles. But I decided to just go ahead and grab it. I'm not playing no games. I'm not taking no chances, so it is what it is. If it's something you like, go ahead and buy it, and don't sit around and wait for it to go 75%, because I've done that, and I've been burned many of times trying to do that, trying to wait for a better sale. I decided to just go ahead and get it because I love this scent. This is so good. If you love Palo Santo, and if you love vanilla candles, because y'all know Bath and Body Works vanilla candles really don't throw all that good, but that vanilla in this Palo Santo, woo-wee, so good, so good. So that's the reason why I think for spring, this is one of my hoard candles. For me, this is hoard worthy. Gotta have it. Now, I'm waiting on the Rose Plus Lychee. I'm waiting on that to go on sale, but for some reason they playing games with that one. But as soon as it do, your girl is gonna get it. So yeah, I ended up buying 2 of these. So leave in the comments, let me know, have you found your hoard candle? Have you found that yet? Are you done with semi-annual, or are you still on the chase like your girl? Because I'm still on the chase. I'm still trying to find that vanilla Palo Santo in that cologne mist. I'm still trying to find that, y'all. I should have bought it when I was in Myrtle Beach, but I didn't want to pay the 50%. I think today is the first day that they moved all of that stuff to 75. So that's the reason why I'm on the run for it. I'm on the chase for it. But I really don't think I'm going to find it in my area, because it was an online exclusive item, and they don't even have any more online. So, I mean, I already got like 2 of them, but I want 2 more because I love it. And I'm greedy. Just like y'all. So let's head to our next store and see if we can find this doggone Palo Santo cologne mist. Let's go, y'all.